Morning guys, how are you all doing? Well, we're having another ride on a beautiful day here in Oregon. We are heading over to the coast. The last ride that we had was bitter cold. It was freezing, but it's significantly nicer today. On the ride today we have Jeff up front on the Red Vincent, Jeff's wife on a Mark III Commando Norton, Chris here on his Egli Vincent Black Shadow, and then myself on a 1951 Vincent Rapide. We're heading up into those hills, heading due west, possibly southwest, directly out to the coast to a place called Oceanside. Surprise, surprise. I was just talking to Chris earlier, and I'm going to try and get out to his place. There's a little farm, and ask him if he would talk about his bike. For your information, someone was asking about his front brake. They thought perhaps it was a Fontana or even a Japanese bike brake. Turns out it's what they call a Robinson 4-leading shoe brake, which was pretty rare. He said it was a real bear to work with. Chris was saying how in the beginning it was real grabby, but it's a lot better now. You know, he's had it years. He just told us that he's just hit 50,000 miles on this bike. That's that rebuilt engine. Heading up into the hills now. It's a little cooler, thankfully. Got all my leathers on today, just with us riding a lot further, just for our safety. Yep, we're getting up there. Oh, reservoir. I hope this is okay, guys. Hope you're enjoying the ride. We're just plodding along at the moment. just love these scenes here like this, where the trees form a canopy over the roads. It's so attractive. And then you hit a bump like that. Oh. Whoa. It's a little rough at times, and oh, that was a big one. Oh, 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 jeez! I left my seat. Subsidence on the corners as well, so you got to be careful. Just logging trucks. Oh, there's a big one.
Then Hamilton had clip-ons, right? And he has the bracket that he made with those instruments on it.
Yeah. Well, getting rid of that muffler was a good move. Look at the thing; it's got a bracket supporting it. And then this seat, getting rid of that looks like a good move. And there's been a couple of pretty good size. Some of, if it's open like this, you can see them, and you either prepare for them or you avoid them. But there was a couple I ran through. I didn't even see them coming till I hit them, and boy, you hit them hard. I think my stand swung down and hit the road one time.
Hello guys, we are at the coast. We've just gone past Cape Lookout, and it's distinctly cooler here than it was in Portland. I'd say 10, 15, 20 degrees cooler. And there's a nice view. Wow. So Captain Cook came here many years ago, and actually a lot of the placings here on the Oregon coast were named by Cook's party. Cape Foulweather is one of them that comes to mind. Captain Cook from Staithes near Whitby in North Yorkshire. And the sun's coming out. That means we can go faster, right? Low tide. Little bit of sea fret. You can smell the sea air. It smells great. It's quite breezy. Big birds over there. I don't know if you can see them. I suspect they're pelicans. We'll get some pelicans this... Yeah, I'm sure they are out over there. Oh no. Yeah, they may be. Yeah, they are pelicans. They're a big bird. Well, I'm sorry it's not a little nicer. Typical. Sometimes in the summer, the weather isn't that great out at the coast. Some of the best times to come are actually during the winter and the fall. It's clearer. May not be as warm, but it's sort of clearer and fresher. It's really attractive. We've done, over 100 miles from Jeff's place, and then I had about 20 miles on top of that. And I won't jinx it, but the bikes have all done really well. A nice little harbour town. I think there's a fish and chip shop here, so we'll grab something to eat. Guys fishing, that looks fun. You've probably heard that fishing is undergoing a revival with the pandemic. Folks are returning to natural hobbies, pastimes like the olden days. I think it's great. Oh yeah, it's a bit foggy. Oh dear. Yeah, there's a restaurant here. We'll see if we can get in and get some fish and chips or something like that. It should be nice. Oh, we are not stopping. Oh, I think that would have been a brilliant view. Oh, look at that. You can't see a thing. Ah, shoot. Sorry, guys. Another time, okay? I'll come back, I'm sure.